up, little M's beauty babes? So right now I'm going to be doing an SFX makeup look. If you guys don't know what the SFX makeup look is, a special effects makeup look. I'm gonna be doing an engraved forehead for you guys, and yeah, I'm just not gonna, like, it's hard to explain, so like you guys are just gonna have to watch and see what I'm gonna do. But before I get started, give this video a fat thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to always be notified of my videos, comment what you guys think of this makeup look, and let's get this started. Okay, so I need you guys to bear with me. I attempted this for the first time on my forehead, and it did not work the way I wanted to because I have a small forehead. So we're gonna do my cheek instead. So we're gonna flatten this out. It's a little like clay-like, and what I want to do is like a Gemini mark on my face, but I'm gonna make it look like realistic. So we don't want it to look clumpy, but we also want it to be like flatten out. Okay. So that's how it literally looks like foundations on my face. But it's not. So I have this nasty rag of all the nastiness to this thing. So we're gonna just tap away. This is legit messy, guys. I do not suggest to do this, but I wanted to give it a try, you know, feel it out. So now, oh god, I got it all over my PJs. So now we're going to use my tweezers, and we're going to engrave. I'm trying to think of the Gemini mark. I think it's like this. We're going to make it like a deep cut. So, yeah, love that. Okay, I'm not going to touch it anymore because I'm going to wind up messing it up. So let's put, so this is all the clay. I made this homemade, if you guys are wondering, because I didn't have the, you know, I didn't want to spend $6 on the one that they have in stores, which I should have because it's less messy, but I think that looks pretty cool. So now we are going to go in with the blood and stuff. I was going to do like this thing across my head, words, but it wasn't coming out the way I wanted, so there's that. So we're going to put a little black to outline it. The reason why I'm putting black is because black makes it more like mysterious, I guess we could say. So I'm gonna go in with this face powder just to give it that like look, like it's like in my skin type. I could have probably did this better with latex, but it is what it is. now we're going to start getting to the... Oh god, I'm a mess, guys. Now we're going to start going to the fun part. So, I got my blood gel right here. I'm going to stick this in there. Oh. And I'm going to start putting the blood. Yes. It's coming exactly how I wanted it. Guys, I know this doesn't look realistic because, like, you know, you can see the skin part, the clay part of it, but just bear with me for a second. Alright, now we're going to go in with zombie black blood, which this is really messy, so let me... Okay, I keep missing the shot. There we go. Does that look real? Oh, that looks sick, guys. Okay, now we're going to go back in with the blood gel. And now we're just going to lightly press it. I thought this would be cool with my sign, because, like, why not, you know? Okay, that looks realistic. So now, we're going to make it, like, bruised. Sorry, guys, my video cut off. So now I'm going to go in with eyeshadow. Now, the reason why I want to make it look like bruise-like in a way, because, like, you know, it's not going to look like all pretty, you know, when my face gets engraved. So I'm going to go in with the brown, and then purple, and then black to make it like I'm mixing all the colors. So we're going to go around it. Guys, yes. So we're going to go in with more purple. We want it to look like it's like engraved into my face type of thing. Look at that. Oh. Alright, now we're going to do the same thing over. Make sure you lightly tap it because the clay could definitely... Oh my god. Guys, I didn't think this was going to come out good the way I wanted it to, but it's coming out exactly the way I wanted it. So we're going to go in with a little brown with the big pine and like tap around it. So like it looks like, you know, bruised up. So I want to put like a big bruise right here. And then black. The black is so dark. Alright. I love that. Kind of looks like real. Not kind of, but you know what I mean. Alright, now we're going to start blending. We're not going to get the skin part of it. We're just going to I like how it looks so far. So now we're going to go in with the blood with my spongy sponge. And we're not going to put too much because it's going to take away the Gemini scar. Guys, I gotta blend that circle, like, I don't want to put too much near, you know. Oh my god, okay. I gotta blend this more in. Or I could just wipe it off, because that just looks like pure brown. So we're just gonna take that part off. Guys, I know that's disgusting, but whatever. Doesn't matter to me. We want it to look realistic as possible. And I feel like that being extended throws everything off. Alright, let's put more blood. Guys, I'm really trying to up my game this year. So oh yes. That looks cool. Alright, now I thought of a cool idea. If I could find... Alright, so I'm going to put like a teardrop of blood on my other eye. So that way it looks realistic. Like I'm crying. Does that look realistic, guys? I guess so. Alright. Well, let's just fill in. Alright guys, I think we are done. I kind of want to like make this look like splatty like. Yeah. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a fat thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next video.